If you're anything like me, then you hate buying AA batteries for your Xbox controllers. It's okay for video games to waste my time, but it's not okay for them to waste my money. So I couldn't be more excited to have this fast-charging Xbox battery pack from SWANPOW. The battery pack comes shipped to your door with everything you need. Inside the box, you have your charging bank. On the side, you have a built-in USB charging cable that wraps around the charger nicely. This way you never lose your cable and can always be charged and ready. On the top of the device, you have two other charging ports, including a USB-C port that will fast charge your batteries in just 2.5 hours. Then of course, you have two individually wrapped 2600 mAh batteries. Take off the coating and they're ready to be charged. Pop them back into your charger and plug them in. After you plug it in, the front panel of the battery charger lights up. When it turns green, it's fully charged and ready to go. The batteries have a wide compatibility, but I got them for my Xbox One controllers. And sure enough, they click right in and power on my controllers. I'm a PC gamer, but every once in a while I like to kick back and play more relaxing story-driven games. And for these, Xbox controllers are perfect. I can now kick back in my chair and relax knowing I won't be wasting any more money on batteries. These batteries have a long runtime of 28 hours. I've been playing off and on for about a week now, and I haven't had to charge them at all after initial charge. And when that time comes that the battery dies, I have a backup charged and ready to go. The battery pack even has protective features, like overcharging protection and short circuit protection. And if that's not enough, you can even use the battery pack to charge rechargeable AA batteries. Although I don't have to use my AA batteries in my Xbox controller anymore, I still use them for other electronics, so this is actually really useful for when I'm in a pinch. This is such a versatile little battery pack, and I couldn't be happier to use these rechargeable batteries in my controllers. Now I can relax and game. I get so comfy that our cats fall asleep on my lap watching the gameplay. And when I PC game, I'm full body into it. So this is a nice change of pace, and I love having the option available now. So if you'd like to ditch the AA's as well, this Xbox charging pack from SWANPOW might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go game some more before bed. See ya!